Hello.
Yeah, I think
So now, kain tayo.
it's not gonna help here.
Today, nagluto ako ng okra na naman with alupati and talong, eggplant. Then, nilagyan ko ng fish, isda. Kain tayo.
Much better this way. Us, foxes,
Mm.
we have excellent
Mm.
vision.
Sarap.
And Bogo said safe.
Kahit walang
So,
bitsin.
safe it is.
Well, let's go, Slick.
Mm. Corn rice pa rin. Sarap. Mm.
So, who exactly are you running from again?
Besides the ZPD, don't really know. My family has a long history of making enemies.
Whoever's got it up for you. I can't blame them.
I'm not sure
Wala
if
ako
they're
dito.
after me.
So you don't know.
Don't know what.
They were trying to send a message.
Who? The
Mm.
wolves?
Ulo.
Your little expansions hurt a lot more people than you think.
I'm hardly responsible for my father's politics.
They don't care about politics. You took their homes, kicked them out. It's just the usual.
Sarap.
eye for an eye. Anyway,
May kamatis. Oh, sarap
What's
ng
your plan?
kamatis.
I'm gonna free my family.
May tumawag.